Your home, your sanctuary. Imagine it slowly turning into a relentless nightmare. Not just loud music, but a chilling true story of escalating psychological warfare right next door. It started with late-night jam sessions, shattering tranquility. But then, the harassment escalated to maddening, targeted torture, a single, piercing note designed to break her spirit. Then came the chilling threats, property damage, and repeated false fire alarms that terrorized an entire building. But nothing prepared her for the act of endangerment that crossed every line. Vivian, a quiet observer, was pushed to unimaginable limits. She transformed into a meticulous investigator, gathering undeniable evidence, determined to reclaim her peace. But what happens when the system designed to protect you turns a blind eye? When management is indifferent? Vivian had to fight not just her neighbor, but a shocking truth and apathy itself. This gripping true crime saga delivers a wild emotional ride, packed with twists. Can one person truly stand up against a system that fails its most vulnerable? Witness a profound, if bitter, victory. Uncover the full, heart-wrenching truth of how Vivian's neighbor was taken away when she... Watch the full story now. Link in description.